So I just got a shipment of my ultralight tent that I'm taking on a backpacking trip, and my ultralight inflatable just air mattress thing, sleeping pad, excuse me. And then I just got these two batteries for my GoPro 10 that I bought used. I noticed the battery was having issues staying charged. Like I charged it up, and then when I went to go use it this morning, when I went surfing in a wave pool, the battery just did not, it was at 1%. So anyway, I was able to charge it with like a spare, I think a battery pack that I had, like a regular, portable battery that you can charge any electronics with. So anyway, I just bought these spare batteries off of Amazon this morning. They're supposed to be compatible with the GoPro Hero 10. We will see. And then I got some zinc face stick, sunscreen, sun cream to the Brits and I think other Europeans. Comment down below on what you call sunscreen. But I really need this for climbing, in addition to climbing and surfing. I found that even with surfing, even when I put on sunscreen, when I surf, I still get a bit burned underneath my eyes, so. Okay, so this is the Ultralight Neo Air X Therm. I got a large because I like to roll over on my side. This has 7.3 for R value. So according to my brother, you want to have a higher R value, something above 6 if you're going to be sleeping in colder temperatures, like we did on Gilbert Peak. And this is my ultralight tent. So it was on sale starting, I think it was Friday. It's on sale for 30% off. So I waited a few months to buy it. And then this, I had a 20% off coupon for. So this all fits into a little bag. Say it's about the size of a water bottle. It's about 8 inches long. Here they are. I think this is supposed to be smaller. I'll figure it out, but I'm gonna camp with this in my backyard before I go backpacking. But this is the tent, ultralight tent, and then this is the ultralight sleeping pad. Ultralight tent is, so this is a 2-person. This is 2 pounds, 3 ounces, or 992 grams. And then the thermo vest, I forget how light it is, but it's super light. My sleeping bag, I don't think is ultralight though.